guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys a huge travel design haul. If you guys don't know who Travel Design is, I've been working with them for a few years. I have videos with them, I will insert a card, but they make the cutest packing supplies, makeup bags, cubes, everything that you could imagine. They have it. They have the cutest prints and patterns. It's kind of like a luxury, and I'm so excited to be sharing this video with you guys. So I will have Travel Designs linked down below for you guys because they are so sweet and sent me a few of their items. I just am so excited because I'm going to be sharing a pack with me very soon since I am going on a beach vacation. So I thought this would be a fun start to the vacation kind of video. So if you guys like this video, definitely hit that subscribe button down below and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and we are just going to get started. They sent a little card that says Travel Designs, and it says, "Hi Kelly, here are some bags to have fun with. We hope you love them. We heart that you # travel with us. Irene and the travel team." So she has been who I've been working with, and she is seriously the sweetest. So I just kind of sent them like a few things that I liked, and the packaging, first off, is so stinking cute. I love that they use their stickers and everything. Oh gosh, let me show you. How fun is that? It's so beachy and travel aesthetic. Makes me so happy. So the first thing is this little guy. Wouldn't this make such a good gift for someone? It's so pretty. So they put a little ribbon on it. And we're gonna unwrap it together. Oh my gosh, it's like a baby pink woven leather bag. Here's their tag on it. I will link the products that I got down below, and we're just gonna unzip it. I love that they have gold hardware. It'll match my suitcase perfectly. So this is a makeup pouch, and it comes with little pouches in here. Oh my gosh, I feel so spoiled right now. But you can put your makeup brushes up here, and there's this little clear thing to hold them in, and then they have like little pockets so you can put like your lipstick and stuff, and then put your palettes, little pockets on the side. This is so cute, and I feel like this would fit in a carry-on. And then it came with this bag, which I guess you can put it in to organize it when you're not traveling, and then this little clear pouch that goes inside of it, and it's got the same print or like leather on top. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm so excited to pack for my trip. Then I also got another little set right here, and it's got their sticker and another bow. And the first one is green, and I think pink and green are such a fun color combo. And I do believe they have monogramming too. So this is just a little pouch. It's got bamboo hardware on here, and you open it up, it's got a little pocket. So this is great for like skincare products. Maybe you want to put some hair scrunchies and a hairbrush in it. You honestly could put really whatever you want in here. Then I got this one, and this looks pretty. Okay, so another little bamboo guy and a mesh bag. Oh, what is this? Okay, so this is one. Honestly, might use this for my beach bag to put my swimsuits in. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. How pretty is this print? It's a beach bag. Oh, and it has the little bamboo tassels on it. Oh my gosh. You guys are gonna call me crazy, but I don't have a beach bag. And it has over the shoulder strap. So cute. Okay, and then this is the last item in here. And it's pink again, so it's just really pretty pink pattern. And it's got little handles right here and a zipper across. Okay, this might be my hair tool bag. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. Okay, so it's just like a bag like this. And oh my goodness, you guys, I feel so spoiled. This is where I'm gonna put my hot tools and put them in my suitcase because those will pack up so nicely. Wow, I can't get over this print. Look how fun that is. I was just talking that orange and pink and green and pink, and it's got a little splash of yellow. Thank you so much, Irene and the Travel Designs team. I will have them linked down below so you guys can check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I'd love to chit chat with you guys. If you have any packing tips, let me know because I need some help since I'm planning so many fun beach outfits. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys back here very soon with my next new video. Bye guys!